AI is not going to take your job. Someone who knows how to use AI properly will take it. And right now, most people are still using it wrong. They open a chatbot, ask a question, copy the answer, and start over tomorrow. That is the slow lane. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the fast lane. No coding, no prompt tricks, just the way people who are actually good at AI work. There are too many tools, too many opinions, too much noise. And underneath it, a real fear. Everyone is talking about AI and I feel behind. So here is the good news. Getting good at AI is not about being technical. It is about one shift and a few simple habits. It works whether you do finance, marketing, operations, or admin. Let me show you. Here is the whole guide in one sentence. Stop giving the AI a question. Start giving it a folder. A chatbot answers a message and forgets you. The tools I'm about to show you work inside a folder on your computer. They read your files. They remember your setup. They do real work. That is the difference between a chatbot user and an AI operator. Everything else in this video builds on that. First, the money question. Pay for one plan. Around $20 a month. The free plans give you a chatbot. The paid plan gives you an AI that can actually work inside your files. It is the cheapest upskilling you can buy right now. My pick for a beginner is Claude Code. It is the best at understanding what you actually mean and planning the steps. And do not let the word code scare you. It works on any files. Notes, spreadsheets, drafts. You do not need to be a programmer. These tools run 3 ways, and picking the right one saves you a lot of frustration. The desktop app, the best starting point. A normal window, easiest to learn. The IDE plugin, skip it. It puts a whole code editor between you and the AI and burns the most tokens for the least gain. If you want a similar setup, connect the Claude desktop app and your IDE to the same project folder. It works exactly the same, with a better experience and lower cost. And the command line. Maximum power, steeper curve, most cost-effective in tokens. This is where you graduate later. So the path is simple. Start on the desktop app. Move to the command line when it feels natural. Skip the plugin entirely. This is the part that matters most. If you do only one thing from this video, do this. Download the desktop app and sign in. Make one folder on your computer for one real project. Call it My First Project. Drop 2 or 3 real files in there. Some notes, a draft, a spreadsheet. In the app, add that folder as your workspace. Now give it a first task. Read the files in this folder and tell me what is here. Watch what happens. It does not just answer. It looks at your actual files and tells you what it sees. Then do one more thing that most people skip. Ask it to write a short plan file, a plan.md, that says what this project is and what you want from it. Now every time it opens the folder, it knows the plan. That is the whole unlock. You gave it a folder and a plan to work in, not just a question. Once simple tasks feel easy, you can ask for much bigger things. In Claude Code, there's a command called /goal. Instead of one small task, you hand it a goal, and it plans the steps and does the whole job. Turn a folder of raw notes into a finished report. Draft a week of posts in your voice. This is the moment it stops feeling like a chatbot and starts feeling like a teammate. You do not need this on day one, but it is closer than you think, and it is worth knowing it is there. Here's the habit that separates the people who get real value. Turn repeat work into skills. A skill is just a saved recipe. Do a task once, then say, save this as a skill. Next time it is one command. I have a skill for financial analysis, one for posting to social, one for adding a blog page to my site. Work I used to redo every week is now a single line. That is the moment the tool starts giving you time back. You are set up. Here is your first month, no schedule. Just 4 markers to pass at your own pace. Milestone 1, set up. One tool, one folder, small tasks every day. Milestone 2, context. Add reference files to the folder and watch the answers get sharper. Milestone 3, first skill. Take something you have done 3 times and ask the AI to save it as a skill. Next time it is one command. Milestone 4, go command line. Try the terminal, learn a few commands and feel the difference. Pass those 4 and you are no longer a chatbot user. When the desktop app feels natural, it is time to graduate to the command line. It sounds intimidating. It is not. Open VS Code. Open the terminal inside it. Type Claude. That is it. And to be clear, this is not the plugin we told you to skip. You are just using VS Code as a window to run the command line. From here, it is the same idea as the desktop app. A folder, a task, context. It just runs faster and costs fewer tokens. This is where the power users end up. There's no rush to get here. Tools do not make you good. Habits do. Here are the ones that matter. 1. Work in project folders. One folder per part of your life. Finances, content, job search. A tidy folder gives you a focused helper. A junk drawer gives you a confused one. 2. Feed it context. Put the reference files in before you ask. Simple rule. If a new assistant would need it on day 1, the AI needs it too. 3. Save your repeat work as skills, like you just saw. Do those 3 and you are ahead of almost everyone. Now let me save you from the noise, because this is where beginners drown. You will hear the word agents everywhere. Ignore it for now. An agent is just a folder, some context, and some skills packaged together. Learn the basics and agents take you an afternoon. You will see people selling 1,000 power prompts. You do not need them. Context beats prompts. An average request in a folder full of good context beats a perfect prompt in an empty chat. 2 terms you will hear soon. MCP and skills marketplaces. Note them and move on. You need neither to start. So who is this for? This is for you if you feel behind on AI and it makes you a little anxious. Any job, not just coders. It is for the person still copy-pasting from a chatbot who wants to actually get good. Who is it not for? If you are already deep in agents and the command line, you are past this. And if you are itching to install 100 tools before you have made one folder, slow down. One line to remember. Give the AI a folder, not just a question. That is the whole game. That is the fast lane. Pick one tool, make one folder. Give it one task today. The full written guide is on the blog, linked below. If this helped, subscribe for more.